In this portion of the video mini-series, we're going to show you what the data looks like back in ACCalc after it's been zapped there from ACCalc Go. Before I show you that, I want to set up the whole process and make sure you guys get the warm and fuzzy feeling that, oh, this is actually working. So on my iPad here, I go to my Mail app, and I've got this nice new email from Liz thoroughly explaining all the updates and changes to the app. If this is the first time you're downloading the app, you need to get it through your mail. Otherwise, you're going to be updating it directly with the ACCalc server once it's on your iPad. But I will demonstrate the first time here. So at the end of the email is the app down here, and I click on it. And this thing pops up telling me how do I want to open, what do I want to do with this app. So I slide it over and I've got my FileMaker icon here. Be very careful, we've stressed this elsewhere. You're using FileMaker Go 16, which is the blue one. The blue one, the blue one, the blue one. This old purple one is left over from Target. Liz recommends deleting this off your app. I can't think of a good reason not to do that. I just haven't done it yet. Blue folder. So I click there. And here it comes. And I click this keyboard icon down here so I can see the full screen. And you can see this is beta number 47. That is the latest. So I'm going to go over here and put my name in. And I'm going to link it up to the job I'm working on, the client, the program folder. So I click the magnifying glass. And we're going to do a simulation here that it was Baltimore Facility Dude Phase 2 Schools. I type Bolt. Start typing the word and hit search. It whittles down my list here. I'm going to do Baltimore City Public Schools Phase 2 and select that. And then it asks me to name this. The name is a concatenated combination of my name and the client name with the date. It is March 23rd, 2018. So I'm going to save the file as that. It asks me if I'm sure. I'm quite sure. Blinks a little bit. And you can see with this globe icon, I'm now linked up. I go to add my building. And here is the site list, the building list, the facility list that's back in ACCalc proper. I'll prove it to you. I'll shrink this down. Here is the same client database back in facility in ACCalc. Let me bump the magnification on this up a little bit. And at the bottom of the list, I put this simulated site with 4 nines, Washington Elementary. And there's some subfolders here. Let's investigate that. So I click on that main folder icon, and this is not strange for Facility Dude that they've given you these 5 locations. This is how they would want their equipment, the MEP stuff, broken out. First floor, second floor, third floor, cafeteria, and gymnasium. So let me go back to my iPad screen, and I'm going to slide through here, and I'm going to select Washington Elementary. Right there it is. I'm going to select it. It asks me if I want to import those subfolders or not. I can't see any reason why not to. This is the way that the Dude client wants it set up, so I'm going to import them. And there they come. And I'm going to start with no assets so that it's easier to follow the data exercise we're about to look at. Got the all good pop-up balloon, and now my job is set up, and now I'm going to go fill this with some fake data, and I'll be back.